We're doing a street corn salad on the cast iron. So we got some corn. I got red and green bell peppers and some lime. And I'm using some Provel cheese for the corn as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep everything right now and just stay outside. So to help me beat the rain and be a little better prepped, I'm going to tar this in my stove with my fire. Because it's going to help and it's not going to be out there that long. And I can do the rest of it outside. Don't mind the dirty kitchen because I was supposed to clean it up and I did not because I'm just me. Charred up, it's cooking all of the... You just want a nice little char. You don't want it to really cook. I really don't know how safe this is, but it's okay. See, we just got a nice little char on it. Mind the background, it is what it is. So, I'm gonna have to clean this up once I get back. So how we're gonna do it is, we're just gonna, yep. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. So we got the corn off the knob, dekerneled. I don't know what you call it. So now we're gonna dice. I'm gonna save the rest because it's not that much corn, so I don't want to use the full bell pepper. And the bell peppers are gonna look good. It's gonna make the color pop. It's gonna be a good aesthetic with the corn and the red bell pepper. So I got the red onion. I'm only going to use half of it. I wish I would have looked at the weather, but it's okay. I'm gonna barbecue again. I think I'm gonna barbecue some wings next week. We're gonna put the butter on there. What I'm going to do is, we got the onions, bell peppers, garlics in here. Cooking. My stuff, my cutting board is filled up with all like meat juices, so I ain't trying to get that into the corn salad, so gotta cut it on here. So this is some cilantro. The veggies have been sauteing in here. It's time to add the corn. The salt, bit of pepper, and a little bit of chili powder. Alright, that was a lot bit. It's okay. The corn is almost done. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of lime juice to it. So I got some Provel cheese, like I said. We're gonna throw that up in there. Hold up. So this is the finished product to the corn salad. Got the cheese melted, the cilantro. It actually looks really good. Got the rib tips, the Polo sausage, the corn, and the barbecue sauce. I think we'll try it again, because I am tired now. That's my favorite, the corn. If you guys have it, please like and subscribe. When you eat this, take a shower, man. Keep the vibes good, and it eats even better. Peace.